Now, Excelsior High beat Hydel High to keep their hopes of Jamaican Cup semi-finals alive following their 3-1 win at the Prison Oval today. It started well for Hydel, who took an 11th-minute lead through Sean John Churchar. However, Excelsior, they hit back a minute before the halftime break through Tristan Bethune to make it 1-1. Now, immediately after the equalizer came the second goal, Hydel dropping further as Kamarley Scott scored in first half added time to make it 2-1. And the win was completed 4 minutes into stoppage time when Kivoni Salmon made it 3-1. The result of Excelsior's win also means that Jamaica College are through to the last 4. Excelsior are now on 3 points, the same as Charles Smith, who they'll play in the final group game on Saturday.
The plan was to simply get 3 points for the game today. 3 points will set us up well going into the final quarter-final game. And the boys did an excellent job, basically following the objectives of the game. One of the things we asked them to do was to ensure that we had a good resting defense to just eliminate the counter-attacks from the Hydel team. I think credit must be given to the boys. They did a very good job as it relates to that.